is Siddharth Chakravarti Guramkunda. Today in this video I'm going to show the AWS environment I have created from my account. So for doing this I needed like two softwares. One is the FileZilla and one is the Putty, and my one account in my Amazon Web Services. So coming to the Amazon Web Services, it is like the cloud computing technology where the Amazon has the Amazon is the major shareholder in the cloud computing technology, with providing a lot of services to it. So I registered to this account like a freebie, and I have a validity for 1 year. So once I have registered to the Amazon Web Services, I have an option to use all these services. Maybe not all this, but few of this, because it is a free account. So I have created one virtual instance, like one virtual environment, by logging into the Amazon and checking on the EC2 Elastic services, Amazon Elastic services. I have created one instance over here. So I have like 8 GB RAM space over here, and I have created one instances over here that that is having the operating system of Amazon Linux. So I have created and kept it running because it's a time consuming process, so I have kept it ready. So here I used the instance type as a t2.micro, which is like free available thing with the freebie which is available. And so yeah, I just created it like clicking on the launch instance. There you will be asking like different kind of questions like selecting the RAM, selecting the process, and what all the things you need for a system. So I selected mostly the freebie offered by the Amazon. And once I have launched that, once I have launched that, I will be getting like the details like this is the public DNS I got from my instance. So with this instance I can log into my system from anywhere in the world. So yeah, you can see this, like my Amazon Linux is working like a test page, you can see over here. So in the same way, I have created one more database, like you have the relational database and different types of database where you can manage over here, like DynamoDB from the Amazon and all these things. But I opted for the relational database. So here I have checked the MySQL instance, while I have like the same way which I have created for the Elastic services. I have created the same instance, same way I have created the instances for the relational database also. But here I have used the engine as a MySQL. You have the different options to use, like Oracle, all different types of options, MongoDB, and all the different types of options you have used. This is also, you can see it over here, like the status is available because I have kept it running. You can see my endpoint over here to use the yeah, here is the endpoint to use my system, like with the port 3306. So I can use it from anywhere, like I can configure it to any of my applications, and I can use it. So yeah, once I have created the instance in the Amazon Web Service, like in the server, I use the Putty to log into the Amazon Web Services. Like I have to keep it because this is a connection, userless connection. Since it is a userless connection, I have to keep it. Like when I was creating the launch instance, you will be getting a key to private key from the Amazon instance, like where you can use that instance to connect from your local system to the Amazon. So I have prepared it with my Putty, so I can connect it from there. So once I have connected to my Amazon instance, I have just install all the softwares that I need. Like I have install a HTTPD Apache server, and MySQL and PHP MyAdmin and PHP sources. And once I have give like install command from them, like yum install about all the requirements I need, all the softwares I need, the Amazon will be automatically downloading and installing it, and also it will configure for me over there in the system, and it's ready to be used. So once I have done all this, I try to deploy one of my application I built for my usability study. So and I deployed it in Amazon Web Services to just to check whether it is working or not. So when I did that, like you can see it over there my application. Here I can like give my details, all the details I can give, and I can begin the survey, like begin the option whatever I want. And yeah, it's like pretty much questionnaires, all these things. Once I have filled all these things, and if I give like nice work to just, and And this my actually I posted this public as this public IPS for the I mean for the purpose of my usability study. So I is now right now I'm using this to conduct my usability study over there. So I have created the PHP admin page to just to monitor about the database which I connected to my application. So let's check the install commands I have installed in my right now I did. Yeah, there you go. Over you can see that like I have interlinked with the user 13. I mean that user ID I'm using the current user. So this is the current user I use at 13, and you can see the comments over there, my work over here. So yeah, this is I can from this I can say like I have created a basic instance like to just run some normal web application from the Amazon Web Services, and I have created it. Thank you.